Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to start new unit 4, and the poem of this unit is Sea Song. Children, have you ever been to a sea beach? How does it look? Yes, look at this picture. Yes, this is a picture of a beach. Have you ever been there? Yes, some of you have gone there. Some of you have seen this beach. Okay. Children, you have seen the picture of beach. Now tell me the name of this picture. What is this? Yes, this is shell. Yes, this is shank. Do you know where we get this shell? The shells are found near the seashore. And this is a part of body of the animal. The shell is a part of body of the animal. This is a hard protective layer created by an animal that lives in the sea. You will find this shells, all these shells near the sea only. These are of various colors, sizes and shapes. They look so beautiful. Today we will read a poem, we will recite a poem, Sea Song. This poem is about a boy who found a shell. And do you know what is special about this shell? Yes, it sings. If you have a shell at your home, you can take that shell and put it near your ear, and you will hear a sound, some sound you will hear, and it means this shell sings. Sea Song. Okay, now I will recite the poem and you will listen carefully. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear. And from the shell there came a song soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you would find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. I told you that this poem is about a boy who found a shell. He brought it at his home and showed it to his mother. And his mother put that shell near his ear, and what did he hear? It He heard that it was singing. He was too happy. He was very happy to hear that some sound was coming out from that shell. Okay, now we will do the new words of this poem. The first one is shell. What's the meaning of shell? The hard covering of a sea animal. The meaning of shell is the hard covering of a sea animal. Held. To keep something in a particular position. कुछ चीज किसी को पकड़ना, किसी को एक ही जगह पर रखना. To keep something in a particular position. Curly, not straight. Like some girls are having curly hair. So curly means not straight. Surprised, amazed. Surprised, हैरान होना, amazed. True, correct, right. Means such, ठीक. So now we will do the rhyming words of this poem. Some of the words are given there: found, cold, took, sand, mummy, look, hand, sound, bold, tummy. Now we will pick the rhyming words from this box and we will pair them. Found, sound. Cold, bold. Hand, sand. Took, look. Mummy, tummy. Have you understood? You can write these in your notebooks also. The next we will do the opposite words. The words are given in this box and you will find the opposite of these given words. These words are hot, false, short, straight, drop, soft, went, small, gave, outside, bitter, lost. And you will find the opposite of these all words found hard, inside, took, big, came, pick, cold, true, curly, sweet from this box. So the opposite of found is lost. Hard is soft. And inside, outside. The opposite of took is gave. Big, small. Came, went. And opposite of pick, drop. Cold, hot. True, false. Curly, straight. Sweet, bitter. Now, all of you will write this poem in your notebook and will do all these exercises in your notebook also. Okay.